Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, those types of things. So I encourage you to subscribe. In today's video, it's actually really exciting because I have an unboxing. If you're interested in these types of videos, then I would just go ahead and stay tuned. Alrighty, so this unboxing is going to be a new Louis Vuitton piece that I added to my collection. It's one of the ones that's highly sought after, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I can tell you how I actually acquired this piece. So we're actually going to be unboxing the mini Pochette today, and let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, I have it in, I don't want to turn it around because my address is on here, but I have it in the original box, so I haven't opened it just yet. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Clearly, I'm struggling here. Okay. All right, so as you can see, it's got the Louis Vuitton box on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, it's so pretty. So here is the box. So it came with this, which I think is like the receipt. Yeah, and it just says, so it's got the receipt. It talks about like exchanges and returns. So if you're new to Louis Vuitton, you'll get this every time. And then I believe this is possibly like a return shipping label, just in case you want to return it, but I do not plan on doing that because I have tried so hard to get this bag or this little SLG. Before we get into it, I'm going to go ahead and just tell you a little bit about this. I did order the mini Pochette in the monogram print. I actually had a really hard time trying to get this. I made a Louis Vuitton account on the website about 2 years ago, and I added this to my wish list, which was what everyone was saying to do, and then just check periodically. And for 2 years, I mean, not every day, obviously, but consistently for 2 years, I would check the Louis Vuitton website, hoping that it would be in stock, and I was not able to get it. So I'm very happy that I got it. Oh, I would even go into the boutiques and I would try to search for it. And every time it was just like, no, we don't have it. We just sold out. No, like we haven't had that in forever. So it was always, there was always like an excuse, I guess, to why I couldn't find it. But I will tell you how I got it at the end. So last year when it was like in the middle of the pandemic, they actually weren't sending out their boxes with the ribbon, and I thought that was really weird. Come to find out, they had actually just like ran out of ribbon. Okay.
Don't mind my dog barking. This is insane. I've been trying to film this video for like 30 minutes now.
So I'm sorry about that. But yeah. So this is just a little card. I think this is where you could put like the gift portion of it, like if it's a gift. Yeah, it comes with an envelope. Obviously, I gifted this to myself, so there's not going to be a message on there. Alrighty, so I'm just going to go ahead and... Oh, they even knotted it here, so that's gonna... Give me 1 second. I am really struggling to get this off. So I should probably at this point just cut the ribbon off because I'm like struggling. They like double knotted it. Ah, got it. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Alrighty. Put the ribbon there. Here it is. So here it is. And the strap is still in the bag, which means this is a brand new piece. This also happened with my Pochette Matisse. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this as well. Give me 1 second. There was one comment on one of my last videos, and someone was like, Louis Vuitton doesn't place their stuff in plastic. And I'm like, well, no, they do, especially if they're brand new and they haven't, you know, been shown to anybody, then they do that. Oh my God. So yeah, it still even has, like, I don't know if you could see that. It still even has the coating, like the tape around like the hardware right here. So this is brand new, first, like in my hands, like no one else has touched it. And this one was made in Spain. So I'm just going to go ahead and clasp it on there. And so here it is, my mini pochette. I have been wanting to get this piece for such a long time, even like before, like the price increase, like two price increases ago, I've been wanting to get this bag. It's so beautiful, and you could do so much with it. So this is what it looks like all the way across. All right. So you could have the chain strap like this, or you can do like a wristlet and do it like this, which I plan on just keeping it all in one. Like that. So let's go ahead and open it. And in here I have, let's see. Oh, it's just like the Louis Vuitton tag. And then this has got the mini pochette, like the SKU number. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that aside. But this is what it looks like. It's got the brown interior. I am so happy that I got this piece, you guys. Like, this is one of the most difficult pieces to get from Louis Vuitton. Even with the price increases, it's just, it's still very sought after. I think now it's like $400, a little over 400. I don't know for sure. And I'm using my phone to record, so I can't look it up. But I think it was like $450, $460. I'm not for sure. I was trying to get it when it was like $300. So this piece is definitely going to keep going up in value. I plan on probably getting another one. I have 2 little girls that I'm going to pass this down to. So this is definitely a good piece to have to your collection. I really love this piece. I saw some videos and people were saying they were going to spray this with like the apple guard. I probably won't do that because it's so little. I really am not concerned about water spots getting on this piece right here. And even in my other bags, I'm really not too concerned about it. I really try to take good care of my bags, so I don't really take them out when they're raining or anything like that. And this is the thickness on the bottom of it. I'll show you that. So this looks about like an inch long. That's actually really spacious. I feel like this bag can fit quite a bit. Give me 1 second. So I have my 6-ring key holder. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put that in here. And so it does fit. So that does fit really well in there. And then I also have my clay, which is my closet, so I'll just probably bring that out here. Those 2 things pretty much are everything that I need on the go. So if I wanted to just take this and go somewhere, I could put those 2 things in there. And it zips up just so perfectly, you guys. Here it is, the mini pochette in the monogram print. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's beautiful. I think it's classic. I think it's timeless. So if you can get your hands on this, I would definitely recommend going out and buying it. I think it's a great piece. Now I'm going to jump into how I actually was able to purchase this. I had been trying on the website for about 2 years. I had it onto my wish list. I kept checking periodically, and that's actually how I got all my toiletries and some of my other pieces. I would just check periodically, and if it was there, I would buy it. If not, then no big deal. But this was never available, so it was really frustrating. I didn't know what else to do. So someone that I know suggested that I go ahead and just contact Louis Vuitton, like on the website. So I reached out to them and I was like, hey, I've been trying to get a hold of this piece for quite some time. I was like, you know, are the chances of me ever getting it, is it slim to none? Like, do I actually have a chance to get this piece? And so I just kind of wrote them and they were like, no, like I can actually put in an order for you right now if you're interested. And I was like, oh my God, absolutely. I'm definitely interested. So I didn't even waste time. She was like, is there anything else that you want to order as well? So I put in my order for the mini pochette, and she was like, I'll even do an overnight delivery for you as soon as the item becomes available. So I put in my order. She said it could take up to 4 weeks for me to get it, but it didn't take 4 weeks. It only took about like a week, if that, not even. It was like less than a week, but she said that she would put in the overnight delivery for me. So once it became available, I was able to get it like the next day. So I was really, really excited about that. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is probably going to be one of my favorite pieces, probably one of my most used pieces. So I would encourage you, if you're looking for a piece, go ahead and reach out to a Louis Vuitton representative on the website, ask them about a piece. Sometimes I've heard that they don't order pieces for people. Sometimes they do. I guess it just depends on who you talk to, but it doesn't hurt to try. So I would encourage you guys to do that. But yeah. And this ring right here, it goes like up and down. It moves up and down. So very, very nice. If you like this, then please give it a thumbs up or drop a comment down below. But thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.